In this video, we're going to go over the not null check. The not null check is a chance for us to ensure that the test environment is working as expected, and it also gives us our first chance to create an implementation of the class that we want to create through tests. So in a test package, we're going to create a new Java class, and we're going to call it greetings test. And we see we've got a class there. And at the moment, we've got nothing in our main package for the implementation, just our test class. So in our test class, we're now going to create our first test. This is the null test, and that will be should return a greetings class. So we're going to create a new greetings class, and at the moment that doesn't exist, as the IDE will point out for us. It will give us the opportunity to create that class, and when we do, rather than creating the test package, we'll create it in the main package. So this is going to be our first class that's been implemented. Okay, now we're going to go back to the test, and we'll see that we're no longer red. We're going to introduce a local variable called greetings, and our first test is just to assert that that class is not null. And that's all we do. So we're going to right click on that test class and run the greetings test, and you'll see that we get a green light. So we've ensured that the test environment is working as expected, and we have created our first implementation here of the greetings class. It doesn't do anything at the moment, but it's just to ensure that everything's working as expected. I'll see you in the next video.